What is this? What is this? Skybound said they were sending me a care package. I don't know what to expect, but that looks like some kind of mini trampoline right there. The Nimbus. That's so sick. All right, we're hooking this up right now. Let's see what my wife thinks. Honey, how are you doing? Did you see? Excited. Did you see what we got?
Of course I saw it. Can we open?
You saw? Yeah, let's open it right now. I can't believe it either.
Like, what is that? We didn't order anything. Now I'm like, oh wait a minute.
I can't believe they sent us a mini trampoline. All right, guys, we are gonna open this right now. I'm so excited. So this is probably the care package.
You want a knife?
I want to show off to the guys. Come on.
Okay. Yay!
All right, so care package here. Trampoline anchor kit, anchor and straps.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, so it doesn't move and stuff. If I don't use this for what it's intended to, I will definitely use this for something else. Let me tell you. Oh, nice, actually. Look at that. Definitely use these. What? We got a backpack. Got a couple stickers.
For real?
Got a shirt. Gonna use my shirt as a knee pad. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, what? It comes in like a carrying case.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Smells like a sporting goods store in there. I like that. So this looks like the top. That's so cool how it folds up and literally fits in that bag.
That is awesome.
39-inch folding fitness trampoline. More like stunt jumping trampoline in the snow. Oh my gosh, we're using this in the winter.
Wow.
This is gonna be sick in the winter. Wow, this is actually like pretty dang easy to set up. You literally just open it up. Let's see. Pop the hinge lock in. You just screw them on. Sick. What the heck? Alright. Hooking this on is as easy as you just go under with the bungee and then bring it around. And you drop it right back on top of there. Like that. Now I should have did the math and determined how many go on each segment, but you know what? We just did it. Sweet. That thing is pretty heavy duty, to be honest with you. Oh crap! Oh, that's actually bouncy.
Is it really?
I feel like you could do a backflip on there. Yo, if I was more confident where I land.
Oh wow, that's better than I thought.
I know, it's like a launch pad. Gotta do it for Skybound?
Yeah, just one side flip, that's it.
Oh! 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 Whew! That's a bouncy little booger. Oh! Oh! For the winter. For the winter.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta combine that with the air track. That is so sick. Oh! I went to get this for the... Oh, there's a hat. Oh, there's two hats. There's a mobile phone stand. A fidget spinner?
What?
Got some
Lanyards?
yeah. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. That's a legit water bottle right there. Sipping on your dad's cough medicine. Look, this looks like something fancy here. It's a luggage scale. You put that on something. If you pull this, you get a reading in pounds. That is ridiculous. Skybound, you guys. This one's a large. Oh, some grip socks. Yo, these are actually super nice. Oh, look at all these fancy grip socks. Yo, they have so much stuff. Man, grip socks like money. Oh, they didn't just give me one fidget spinner, man.
What?
They hooked it up. Fidget spinner city. More grip sock, man. Hey, you're digging through my package. What are you doing? Oh, you opened the fidget spinner?
This is a nice one.
You gotta model the bottle.
Can I have it?
Yeah, look at that wood finish on the cap. That's pretty dang sick.
Like the classiest water bottle ever.
I can't believe they sent me all this. I'm so grateful. Yo, check this out.
What's it stand for?
Totally forgot about this one. Must be something for the nimbus.
Is there another nimbus?
Whoa.
What? What?
It's another nimbus! Oh, what?
One for me! That's ridiculous!
Oh my gosh! And this one has a stand on it. Yo guys, what the heck? I cannot believe they sent us another one. They sent us two nimbuses.
Nimbi.
Yeah, Nimbi.
This is like Christmas.
I
What
know.
in the world?
Crap,
What did
man,
you do to deserve this, man?
I don't know what I did. I didn't do squat.
You should take it to the beach.
Yeah. Oh, sand flips with this sucker. I can't believe they sent me 2 of these. That's ridiculous. This other one came in this bigger box, and it has what looks like some exercise poles. So put it on there like that. Then pop that on over there. Sweet. In the snow, I can tell you right now, that's gonna be so crazy. Alright, just do it.
I'm sorry, I think I just ruined your shot.
No, it's totally fine. Oh god. That's why it has a foam pad. They sent us 2 trampolines. Both are nimbuses. 2 nimbuses. And one came with this exercise handle right here to, I guess, like, you know, if you want to just exercise on it and you're afraid of flying off the trampoline, you can get one of these with an exercise handle. So if you're looking for a good, you know, exercise trampoline, I remember back in the day they used to be called like rebounds. I go rebounding, you know. That's so awesome. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Skybound, and thank you all you guys for your support. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys watching these videos and enjoying my content. So I'm thankful you guys enjoy my content. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. And later on, you know, throughout the year, we'll probably be using these trampolines in some videos. I've got some ideas already brewing up in here, but thank you guys so much once again. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Tired. Probably shouldn't be doing this. You guys probably want me to do a flip from one to the other and then a flip off. Man. Sorry, I'm weak sauce right now. Maybe when it gets dry. Shoot, I don't know, maybe not. I don't want to lose a tooth. But you gotta focus.